Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 16. We're exactly 3 weeks away from WWDC 2022 and of course the reveal of the first beta of iOS 16, and we have some great news regarding this update. It looks like this will be quite a huge update, maybe the biggest we had in years on iOS. Now let me show you guys what we're talking about. Now this year has been a bit different. Previous years we had features leaked months before the software was released on its first beta. This year is different. We really didn't get anything at all regarding iOS 16. The only thing we have, and that we can trust of course, is the reports by Mark Gurman. So he had a report before, now he has a new report where he's talking about iOS 16 3 weeks before the release of the first beta of iOS 16. And this is really exciting. Again, he's stating that there will be major changes across the system, even though he still believes that there will be no total redesign of iOS. But what's really interesting with this new report is that we basically have two, what I can say, features that have been leaked. One of them is new apps, and that's in plural, so we will have a few new Apple apps on the new iOS 16. One of them we know of that has been found on the code of iOS 15.5, and it is a new Apple classical music app that will be a separated app from the music app that we currently have on our iPhones with iOS 15. And of course, we will probably see another 2 or 3 apps from Apple with iOS 16. It's really interesting to see what kind of apps Apple will bring with this new software update. And another thing that he has talked about on this report, which is really interesting, it is a new way of interacting with the system. Now, right here, there might be two things. Now, when he's talking about interacting with the system, I believe he's talking about interactive widgets, even though that hasn't been confirmed, so he just states that. He doesn't confirm what he's exactly talking about, but I believe that might be interactive widgets, which of course is a feature we have been waiting for on iOS 16. So currently we have widgets like this that don't do nothing at all, just show stuff right there on the screen. But with iOS 16, we can have some like this. You can see I can tap on the calendar right there. It can open the app, but of course I can tap on that part right there and I can open here all the events on the home screen. Or I can tap on this little folder right here to see all of my apps. I can tap there on the stocks again, and I can just go ahead and choose what I want to see there. It will show me right there everything that I need to know. You can see how cool this is. This is what an interactive widget could look like on iOS 16. Even though, of course, Apple, when they do stuff, they do it really great. So I just expect these to be pretty awesome on iOS 16. Now, this again is not confirmed that he's talking about interactive widgets, but it's most likely this, because another thing cannot happen. I don't believe there will be things like maybe like 3D touch or something like that involved with that, but I believe it will be the interactive widgets that might be now a confirmed feature coming to iOS 16. On a previous report, Mark Gurman has talked about other features as well. We're getting new health tracking features and new health features with a health app on iOS 16, as well as redesigned notifications. And we're going to expect a bunch of new features for the focus feature as well. So these are some of the features that have been actually reported by Mark Gurman. He again is very accurate, and it is our only source when it comes to finding information regarding iOS 16. So again, in 3 weeks today, 3 weeks from today, we will see the first beta of iOS 16 and see if these things will happen or not. Hopefully, we will get a lot of new changes and updates with iOS 16, because iOS has been quite boring the past few years. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more iOS 16 videos, and I'll see you on the next one.